Hello, my name is Alejandro and I am a member of Infineon's Radar and Sensors team. In this video, I will be your guide as we take the first steps in exploring the XENSIV KIT CSK BGT60TR13C. Join me as we explore the features of this powerful technology and discover the potential it holds for your next project. When you first open the box, you will find that the kit consists of two boards. On one side, there is the board which takes care of the compute and connect functions. On the other side, we can find the sensing board, in this case, radar and pressure. Looking more closely at the compute and connect board, this is what we call as System on Module. It integrates an Infineon PSOC 6 dual-core low-power microcontroller along with a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radio with integrated antennas. The Rapid IoT module is pre-certified, can be soldered on any board requiring these functions. This board can be powered either via USB or with battery, providing full flexibility for your next IoT project. This is the XENSIV BGT60TR13C wing board, and it connects to the MCU board like this and is powered by state-of-the-art FMCW radio technology that operates in the 60 GHz ISM band. The name 13 refers to the integrated antennas design of this chip, which features one transmitter and three receivers in a compact package. The BGT60TR13C is very small and offers a great solution for customers looking for advanced FMCW radar features and top-of-the-line radar performance. Typical use cases for this radar are occupancy sensing, entrance counting, presence detection, angle measurement, segmentation, vital sensing, gesture sensing, and even material detection. This wingboard also comes equipped with a XENSIV DPS368 barometric pressure sensor. Its high precision makes it an optimal device for tasks such as fall detection, step counting, door or window opening, and general environmental scene monitoring. To get started, the first step we do is to open our browser and search for the Infineon Rapid IoT Connect Cloud platform. And you will have to create a new account. In this case, I have already my account, so I will log in. Now we can see the Infineon Rapid IoT Connect platform. We have this little wizard that basically walks you through. So let's add our device. We will write a name, for example, CSK Radar. And then we will have to write the serial number. And we just use the same as on our MCU Connect board, as shown in the picture. Click Next, and for the simplicity of this video, we will also click on Next. Next, we will have to enter your Wi-Fi credentials so that the kit will be able to connect to the internet and send the measured sensor data to the Infineon cloud. To do this, we click on Create New Network and we type in SSID and password of our Wi-Fi network. We click on Next, and here we review if the information we enter is correct, and then we click on Save. At this point, the cloud will generate our customized firmware, including all necessary code for the kit to access sensor data, do the processing for presence sensing, upload your credentials, and ultimately generate a single file that you will need to download in order to flash the board. Once the build status indicates success, we can download the firmware. Now we open the zip file and extract its content, in my case to this folder. We open the unzip folder, make sure our kit is connected to the computer using the micro USB cable, and double-click on the .bat file called Program Kit. This will open a terminal window and will flash the board. If you are using a different operating system or have dots, refer to the README file. Upon completion, simply hit any key to proceed. Now our XENSIV KIT CSK BGT60TR13C will automatically connect to your Wi-Fi network and begin transmitting real-time sensor data to the Infineon Rapid IoT Connect platform, accessible exclusively by you. To initiate the recording of sensor data, you first need to select the sensor from the Attributes tab. I will open the device details here, and here you have the Attributes tab. The options available are XENSIV BGT60TR13C presence detection. This activates the algorithm that runs directly on the PSOC board. XENSIV pass CO2, this option isn't available with this particular kit. However, there is a separate wing board available for purchase that you can attach to this same kit to obtain precise CO2 readings from the environment. Then thermistor, this activates the onboard temperature sensor, and XENSIV DPS 3XX. This enables the DPS 368 barometric pressure sensor. After selecting the desired sensor, click on Save Attributes and wait a few seconds for the cloud to connect with the kit and activate the sensor. Upon refreshing the window, you will observe in the right column that these new attributes have been applied to the kit. Additionally, from this same tab, you can configure the way these sensors operate, adjusting the available settings for each of them and click on Apply. Now we just go to the tab corresponding to the sensor we wish to read. This will display a timeline with values from the moment the sensor was activated, temperature using the onboard thermistor, or pressure measurement using the barometric sensor. Here you can also employ the timeline filter to view data collected within a specific time frame. Plus, you have the option to download the logged time-stamped data using the provided button. As you see in the Presence Detection tab, red values indicated detected presence, while green values shows no presence. This matches the LED status on the radar wing itself, allowing for real-time presence detection even without using a computer. That's all for the XENSIV Kit CSK BGT60TR13C Getting Started video. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them below or join the discussion in our Infineon forums. Links to these resources are provided below for your reference. To learn more about our product and its capabilities, please visit our website at infineon.com/60GHz. Thank you for watching, and we hope to hear from you soon. Goodbye!